Soldiers, what's the funniest time a recruit outsmarted their drill sergeant by accident? Our drill sergeant was infamous for his impossible tasks designed to break new recruits mentally. His favorite was ordering us to sort a massive bucket of mixed nuts and bolts in under an hour, a task deliberately designed to be unwinnable. When Private Jenkins got assigned this punishment for having a wrinkled uniform, we all expected the usual outcome, failure, followed by push-ups until collapse. Jenkins, visibly panicking, stared at the bucket for about 10 seconds. Then, without hesitation, he picked it up, walked outside, and dumped the entire thing into the base's metal recycling bin. He returned, placed the empty bucket at the drill sergeant's feet, stood at attention, and announced, "Task completed, sir. All metal items have been properly sorted into the appropriate recycling receptacle as per base environmental regulations, sir." The drill sergeant's face went through about 5 different emotions. He opened his mouth to scream, then closed it, then opened it again. Finally, he just said, "Dismissed," in the quietest voice we'd ever heard from him. What made it even funnier was the aftermath. Word spread through the barracks faster than a wildfire. By dinner, even recruits from other platoons were saluting Jenkins in the mess hall. The drill sergeant tried to save face the next day. He gathered everyone